Would you like to have peace of mind, free of unwanted, depressing, or anxious thoughts? Would you like to have a great marriage and great relationships? Would you like a closer relationship with God, where you can hear His voice and feel His presence? The purpose of this 4-part video series is to show you how God wants to help you achieve these goals that He put in your heart. I've already told you how frustrated I was with Romans 12:2, that says to be transformed by the renewing of your mind, because no one told me how to do it. You're probably feeling the same way. You can stop beating yourself up because it's not your fault. No one told you how to do it. But in these 4 special videos, you're learning the key steps to renewing your mind. In the first video, we gave you an overview of the 3 parts to humans: body, personality, and spirit, and how each part affects how you think, feel, and relate to others. This week, I want to help you understand physical conditions that affect how you think, feel, and relate to others. And these are the mood disorders: depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorder. Now, I've been a mental health physician for over 25 years, and this became the focus of my career. I help my patients regain thought control and go on to live great lives. The main symptom of depression is down, sad, negative thinking you can't stop. In anxiety, you have anxious, fearful, worry thoughts that you can't shut off. And in bipolar disorder, your moods swing from depression to high energy drivenness that you can't slow down. But what they all have in common is that you can't shut your mind off. So a mood disorder is just a loss of thought control where you can't stop unwanted thoughts. The easiest way to assess your own mental health is to ask yourself, can I turn off thoughts I don't want? Mood disorders are caused by brain chemical problems. Brain chemicals like serotonin give you thought control. If their levels are low, you lose control. And then your thoughts go in directions you don't want but can't stop. And these problems are very common. 15 to 20% of the population can't shut their mind off, and 80% are undiagnosed and untreated because they're mild. And we have no tests for brain chemicals, so you need to assess yourself. And the easiest question for self-assessment is this: can you shut your mind off and stop unwanted thoughts? And if you can't control your thoughts, then medications can help bring back that control. And there's a self-assessment tool on our website that can help you determine if you have a mood disorder and need medications. Just click on the link on this page. Medications will restore the brain chemicals to give you back control so you can think clearly again. But no, they're not happy pills, they're not narcotics, they're not tranquilizers, and they aren't addicting. They can't give you an artificial high or an artificial personality. They just restore thought control, and they're safe for Christians. I have lots of information on mental health on my website. Just click the link on this page. But imagine how much better your life will be when you can control your thoughts and moods. You'll be relaxed, content, able to concentrate, feeling in control, and with a clear mind. You'll be proud of the person you've become. But if you're struggling with your moods, are you willing to do something about it? Don't stay stuck in moods you hate. So I want to invite you to come and join us in the Free Your Mind online video program, where you'll learn everything a Christian needs to know about mental health and a Christian understanding of psychiatric treatment. Together, we'll take the steps to be free mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. And to enroll, just click on the link on this page. Email me if you have any questions. And in the final video of this series, you'll learn how your personality and your relationships have been affected by your emotional baggage. And you'll get an action plan to unload the baggage. And I'll see you then.